Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the productivity tricks on the REALME 14 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. First thing I'm gonna show you is the split screen mode. So, to enable it, not the screen, but this bar over here. To enter this bar, simply drag your finger on this edge of the screen. And as you can see, now you can have the screenshot, screen recording, screen translate, voice translate, my files, calculator, photos, and also if you click on all, you'll find the other apps. Also, if you click on edit, you can place more apps into this bar. Okay, and now the split screen. So, to enter the split screen, simply click on one icon, let it be notes, and now get into this bar and let's pick the calculator. As you can see, now we have a window of the calculator, and to split the screen in half, so we'll have the notes on the top and the calculator on the bottom, simply drag. Oh, sorry, it didn't work. Simply drag the calculator into the bottom, and now release. And as you can see, now on the top we have the notes, and on the bottom we have the calculator. So we can simply create a note, type anything we want, and if we want, if we want to count something, we don't need to switch between the apps, and that's really convenient feature. So no need to switch between the apps. Okay, also the floating window, if you simply now click on calculator from this bar, you can minimize it, and if you release, a small window will be on the top right corner, and I can still do other things on the phone, and I have access to the calculator right over here. So again, no need to switch between the apps. Okay, next thing is the battery. So simply click on settings, just like I did, scroll down until you find the battery, and you can pick between the battery modes. You can pick the power saving mode or the super power saving mode, which is recommended if you want to save the most of the battery. For example, when you have a productive day and you want your phone to have some battery left, so you can enable it. Okay, and the last thing, not the last thing, I will show you the gestures. If your screen is locked right just like this, simply when you double tap, the screen wakes, and also if you draw an O or the V, you'll see what happens. As you can see, I draw an O and now the camera launched, and now when I'll draw the V, as you can see, the torch also launched. Okay, and the last thing is the Google Assistant. To enable it, simply hold the power button. Okay, here it is. And here you can type basically anything you want, any information you want to know. For example, let's ask the Gemini what is a good pizza recipe. So give me a pizza recipe. Alright, and now as you can see, we have the recipe, ingredients for the dough, for the sauce, for the toppings, and instruction how to make this pizza at home. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.